Hi, we're back. We're in this place. Yeah, I'm gonna put all my cooking on. I need to drink something. I need to eat something. Drink all these. That was quick. Alright. We're here. And we're in an industrial spot. What the fuck? There's like a spa. Why is this place so big, bro? Is that a door? No, it's not. Okay, well, no, we checked out the pool zone already, right, Dylan? Over there?
What?
We checked out the pool zone already, right?
What pool zone?
Like,
I don't.
Oh, you fucking with me. Two head. Bro, going here on vacation would actually be so cool. Oh, no, not like with all like the mutants.
Yeah.
But like just like this kind of facility, like an underground like vacation facility. Okay, there's another pool area up here. Like, this is actually a very nice place to vacation on.
Yeah.
That's a fire pit. That's another thing. We're gonna check that one out later, though. I want to look at this first. Today was a good day. Oh, especially for this guy. He had a guitar shoved down his throat, and money showered all over him. Oh, I got an email. Mr. Puffton desires all digital communication to be printed out. Do not leave digital copies of your communications on any devices, and discard of all communications when done with them. Sincerely, Barbara Puffton. Oh, so that's his wife. Okay. We really don't need money. Only thing good for money is just like to stoke fires. Okay, there's a lot of doors here that I have to open. Because Dylan did not get the key card. I did, because we were supposed to go to a different cave, and I opened up the wrong one. But it's fine, because I haven't opened this one. Ooh, there's another key card on the table.
Where?
On the
I
table
got
here.
it.
I don't know if that. I don't think that's gonna open the stuff that we need to open though.
No, there's a. I saw. No, follow me.
I think the stuff that like, all this stuff I might need to open.
Oh, I opened
Oh,
it. I think I opened this room. Yeah.
Okay, there's nothing in here though. There's a maintenance bunker B and an email. I can't read it though. Let me read this. Virginia Puffton, the last will or testament of Edward Puffton. I've heard.
Oh, stop the name.
Oh my God! Do you want to know what? Mr. Puffton left. How much money Mr. Puffton left for Virginia Puffton?
How much?
I don't even know how to say that. It's $578,534,827,095.
Oh my God, that's a lot of money.
570 billion. God damn.
Bro, I would want to be related
I got
to
a
him.
shotgun rail.
Yeah, same.
Okay, let me get rid of this. My axe back. Okay, this is cool. This is a nice room. There was another, that was one room there. There was another room out here somewhere. Over here. I have the maintenance key cards. I have the guest one and the maintenance one. Boy. Wait, stay there. Don't aggravate them. I have grenade. That worked a lot better than I thought it was going to. There's one left. Just kill it.
Alright.
Let's see how good this firefighter actually is, if it's good at all. Okay, that was 2 hits. It's dead. No, it's not. Alright, let's skin all of these.
Alright.
This one first. Wait, let me move it because it's on the wall.
3. Oh.
3.
No. 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. That one's skinned. There's one here. Let me move that. Ready? You got the angle? I don't.
Nope.
I don't. Oh, you have it.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Ooh, there's a creepy armor on the floor. There's meat here. What the hell?
that's rotten meat. I dropped.
Oh, that was rotten?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't show it rotten outside of it, though. The creepy armor. Why did the creepy armor go on the floor and not straight into my inventory? That was weird. Oh, I'm at full creepy armor, so I don't even need it. Actually, no, yes we do. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna pick it up.
I did it too. I did
Do you
too.
see it? Do you see behind the wall?
Yeah.
In black? Alright, this one.
I was waiting. Alright, can I? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you look weird.
I know. I have a white tuxedo one too, so I almost
Yeah.
want to lose all my creepy armor.
Oh,
so I can wear it
creepy.
top.
Oh, I have too much creepy armor.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't even know that you can have too much.
Look, there's some right here if you want.
Alright, down here we go. It's a little dark down here. It's quiet. Quiet. I found another email. Show my flashlight off. I can't read it. Okay. Here's another one. Artifact 2. That is a weird looking artifact. Wait, so is this going to be like, remember the artifacts from last game? No, you weren't with me and Nathan, because me and Nathan beat the game. You did not.
Yeah. Ew, there's babies.
I have a chainsaw.
Wait, did you just? Oh,
That
found it. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait, I wanna.
You could like go down.
No.
With a handheld little chainsaw. Okay, these are really loud though, so I'm putting it away for right now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's blood coming to the screen. This game is made so good, dude. Okay, there's a lot of stupid things about it too, like the fucking scooters, but like a lot. Ooh, what is this? Did we go down here? Or did we go up from here?
No. We came
No,
from
we went
here.
Here, so we missed this.
More babies.
I'll just run past them. I'm really not trying. You good? Just run. Oh, it's like a broken cave. It's a cave. With two ways. One way here. I almost want to find a place to save before we go in here, because this looks like a really complicated cave.
Yeah, it really does.
There's like 100 different entrances. Oh god.
Yeah, how about we get out of here?
Actually, I'm already lost. Actually, no, I got into there. It's actually not that complicated, but
I wanna kinda.
I'm gonna try to find a save place first. I got a new craft from there. Bone armor, crafted bow, crafted club.
Ow! I didn't
armor,
even see
leaf
that.
armor. Okay, yeah, we'll try to find a place to save. If anything, we'll just make a tent.
Well, I wanna get that stuff from, you know,
No, I'm
the.
making a tent right now because I want to go in there. You don't need to sleep either, unless you're tired and you need to sleep.
No, I don't need to.
Okay.
Alright, I saved.
No, let's just go in this cave. See what we got. Okay, go to the right, don't go to the left because it just leads a circle. There's just two different entrances to this way. Shit.
So glad that we have a break. I'm just so happy.
I know. Oh, it's an exit. It's an exit. So we don't have to go all the way back through.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, hey. I bought.
What the fucking Christ is that?
What? Oh, what is that? Ew!
Wait.
Looks like a big baby.
Oh, it's right in front of me.
Oh.
I tased its balls.
Okay. I'm just gonna.
Get the axe. Just hack it up. I got cut off. What the hell? Can I like skin it, or is that this? I want its head.
I can't skin it.
I want its head. I can't take its head. Yeah, I can't skin it either. Okay. That was
That
weird.
was
It was
interesting.
literally just like in the distance. And then I took my taser out and it was right in front of me. Ooh, there's golf carts here. Which usually means that there's something here to do.
Oh, my scooter's over here.
Your scooter? Oh yeah. My scooter's over here.
Oh, that's your scooter.
Yeah, that's in the cave. Okay,
Yeah,
so
it-
we went to the wrong cave, but it did good. So then
I
we
keep
should.
forgetting about Kelvin, that he's in the game.
I know. Wait, actually, where is he? I wanna get
He's
him.
right over here.
Ellie. Kelvin. Hey. Hey, Kaido. Laser. Look at how good Kelvin looks.
Oh my god, he's looking fly.
Looking very fresh. Look at that. Okay, so this is, I'm thinking, this is where we just were. Like the entrance. I think. Was it? No.
Oh wait, those are the graves.
Maybe not.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, you're right. They didn't load in for me. Okay, so that is where we just went, so we don't need to go over there. Okay, now follow me, because I see the other one where we actually were supposed to go, but I messed it up.
Alright.
There's 3 of them around the cave that we just got out of before, like where we got the shovel. So this one could also that we're going to could also be wrong, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that's not.
Are you okay?
I was really huge creeper on this net. Oh. Look at the rocks in the water.
Oh my god. Okay. Whoa, I jumped up really high.
Are you on the scooter?
No, I left it in the front entrance we went to.
It's honestly, even though it's a lot faster, it's so annoying to use.
I know,
Unless
and
you're
especially
in like
at
a
night
super wide open area.
at the beach.
Like at the beach, that'd be very fun to use. But I don't know. Maybe we'll come back and find them one day because they're marked on our maps.
Oh wait, they are?
Yeah.
Huh. I did too.
Good for you. Good for everybody.
Alright, okay. I don't know why that lake over there is bringing me vibes from Force 1.
I know.
I-
What the fuck is this? Hit me. Can I take my creepy armor off?
I don't know.
Like, what if I only use creepy armor for caves? And now I know I'm going the right way, because this is where...
This is where you got your stuff, right?
Yeah, this is where I got the
Okay.
other key card and the axe.
Ugh.
This cave really is not that amazing, but...
Bro, if Nathan comes back to play the game, he's gonna be so far
I
behind.
know, because the last, like, 4 parts, I think, it was literally just us. I think maybe he played the first part.
Oh yeah, I see
Dig it, I have
the.
to- no, I see this right here. Is there another thug?
I might have to redig it.
No, it's right here.
Oh. Ooh, it's a little nice vault.
There's no... Actually, maybe there's a baby in here. If he's in there. There's basically nothing in here, so I would just rather...
No, sorry.
There's basically nothing in here, so you might want to just kind of run grab stuff, but everything's like...
Oh, damn, this is a nice room.
Grab that. That's where you don't need that.
Hey. Oh, call Pan. I got the ID. Now, where's the axe?
The X is... Oh, wait, one second. Wait, I'm gonna save here. Because we just got more stuff. Okay, be prepared for the bathroom. This is a little, There's something here. I forgot what it was.
Damn, the
Did
pennant.
you get the key card?
Yeah. Oh, there's a tuxedo.
Yeah, grab that tuxedo.
Oh, Can you put the book away?
Here comes the key.
Oh.
And, okay, the axe actually is in this room, but I said there was nothing else for it.
Alright, so the axe,
Not here.
sorry, I had to.
It's in this case.
Got it.
Alright. Let's go up, back at this cave.
Wait, I just need a save.
You can get back into the bedroom.
That's what I'm doing.
Alright, well, I think we got pretty much all of the 3D printer cave.
Yeah.
All of the, all of this cave. And I think there might be one more around. If you really want to go there. But I think this one was a short video, but I think that was enough for this one. We'll catch you in the next part, and we'll see you.